Hello, everyone. I am going to make a slightly different type of video on how to clean your wheelchair. Now, I've made like two in the past, but I have discovered, different ways of doing it. So let me get my tools here, and we can start. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So this is my different way of cleaning my wheelchair. Um, I have this brush. Now you could probably use a broom if you didn't want to bend down or the caregiver doesn't want to bend down. But it comes with the little shovel too. So I just sit in my recliner and I brush off the bottom part of my wheelchair, and especially the footrest, which gets very dirty. It seems to capture everything I eat. so, so I brush off my power wheelchair, the cover and around the wheels and all that kind of stuff, and it leaves it pretty clean. So, and the shroud and the footrest. So that's what I use this for now. And then when I want to do the deep cleaning, then I use the other method, which is with the Dawn soap. All right, so, and I'll attach that video here. All right, so that one, and then something you can do if you're not quadriplegic, completely quadriplegic, 100% quadriplegic, but this is, just the antibacterial hand wipes. This is really soft, it's soft enough for our hands, so it can be soft enough for our armrests, and you can clean carefully the little joystick area and the other armrest and your cup holder if you have one, and so that really gets it smelling nice. You can use. I wouldn't use anything stronger because you could ruin the armrest and the covers of the armrest. So just something that's for hands. And then you can clean everything off, and it's antibacterial, so hopefully it takes off some of the bacteria. So, all right, so the brush, and that's what I do. So really simple, really simple. It just simplifies, of course, the process of keeping your wheelchair decent, presentable. The people usually, when they see my power wheelchair, they say, "Oh my goodness, how new it looks." I said, "Not new, almost 3 years old." It is 3 years old by now. Yep, it's November, so I got this in September 3 years ago. So it's 3 years old, and I make sure it looks presentable. And, that helps me when I'm going to appointments and things like that. People are impressed. How do I do that? So, it doesn't have to be a small brush. You can also get a broom if the person who's helping you doesn't want to bend over and get something similar, a soft brush. But I would say it would need to be dedicated to the power wheelchair because you don't want to use it for other things and then get all the dirt from other things to the power wheelchair. That would be a sticky situation. So those are my recommendations for the cleaning, maintenance of the power wheelchair and manual wheelchair as well, because you can brush off the wheels and stuff like that for the manual and the bottom parts. So those are my recommendations. Short video, short resolution to maintaining and keeping clean your manual or power wheelchair. So any questions or any add-ons that you want to throw in there that help you keep your manual or power wheelchair clean, feel free to make comments down below, and we'll just go through the world looking cool. The holidays are coming, so if you want to give me a gift for the holidays, feel free to subscribe or to click that like button. Also to make a note or share the video with someone who is your loved one and is in a wheelchair and would like some ideas and tips here and there, feel free to share it. All right, folks, be kind, be good to others, and I'll see you in the next one.